Process to add GitHub link to LinkedIn is quite easy and simple. First, you have to log into your GitHub account, and once you have logged in, you have to go on the right top from here, and you have to go to your profile. So you can see your profile here. Go here, and now if you see at the top here, the link is what you need to copy. So just select the whole thing, copy it, and now you need to go back to LinkedIn. So here we are on LinkedIn, and what you need to do is simply go to your profile here at the right top and click on view profile. Once you are here, you need to edit the profile. For that, click on this pencil icon here, and it would load. Go down to the bottom, and here you have website. In the website, and you have a link, just paste what you have copied from the GitHub, click on save, and that's how you add the link of GitHub to your profile on LinkedIn. So hope this video has helped you, but before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.